Looking at the average threshold levels here. So levels up on the according to just the level up on the computer's output on the that's about 20 there. Of course, if you click on the, you get the dum dum sound. So it's some sort of digital signal noise or something of a sort. It's down there. It's very, very low. It's very low down. I'll just say, even at 4, level 4 there, on there, it's like the moment it goes over, I think anything like from 0 when it's turned off, and take it to even put it on 1. I'm seeing sort of some sort of noise. There's sort of some, but can I hear it? Nah, not really. Not unless you amplify it so ridiculously, and then everything else is just going to be extreme unbearing. That's just something that's not even on the low end of my food chain. I'll turn it up, see if it goes up and it increases. It's gone up a mild little bit, so I'll leave it there. Generate some pink noise out. Still can't figure out how to get pink noise to go out on all these channels, because how the hell am I supposed to calibrate? Could do that on the multi-stereo mode on the Denon so easy with the REM. I'll figure it. So there's an input signal going down here on the HDMI. So going down there. If I turn the fader down on the processor, the signal's still there. Okay. That's because it's going through on a different part of the B chain, so on the input part of the B chain, so to speak. Or maybe it's the A chain, and then you go on to the B chain. So minus hang on. Oh yeah, there's the output levels, there's the input levels. Input is saying up to about minus 13. Okay, minus 13 there. This one down here is saying about minus 18. I don't understand those. I don't understand the differences there. I don't think it's a problem with maybe clipping or anything. So I'll turn the fader up and see it on the other. It's pretty loud. equivalent to 85 dB. Well, that is 85 dB, and it's bloody loud.